2. Kit Kat Kids. Case 3. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
İstediğim gibi.
Ya, evet.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange. P
for penguin.
P for penguin.
Q for quack.
Q for quack.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for snake.
S for snake.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
Y for yak.
me?
Y for yak.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Z for zebra.
K, L,
Z for zebra.